What if I told you a simple $5 ingredient could be transformed into a Michelin-Star masterpiece? It all begins with something ordinary, a humble potato. Cheap, common, and often overlooked. But in the hands of a chef, it is about to become something extraordinary. The potato is carefully prepared, sliced into delicate layers, stacked, and baked until golden and crisp. What emerges is a potato mille-feuille, its shimmering layers resembling golden pages of a book. But here comes the twist. Instead of serving it plain, it's elevated with truffle-infused cream and a drizzle of rich demi-glace. Suddenly, this rustic potato transforms into a dish of luxury, gleaming with refinement. Plated with artful precision, a brush of truffle sauce, a sprinkle of microgreens, and the final touch of edible gold leaf, it now stands tall as if born from a Michelin-starred kitchen. The first bite leaves guests stunned. What they thought was just potato bursts with flavor, crispy edges, creamy layers, and earthy truffle richness. Their eyes widen, savoring the unexpected. And here lies the lesson. Luxury isn't always about expensive ingredients, but about vision, creativity, and finesse. A $5 potato has become a fine dining experience, proof that the extraordinary often hides within the ordinary. Would you dare to turn a simple ingredient into your own masterpiece? Comment with the ingredient you'd love to see elevated, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more culinary journeys where simplicity meets Michelin magic.